Hey guys, so today I'm here with Kayla.
Yeah.
And I want to show you guys my vending machine.
Vending machine that have a hole on top.
Well, I have to decorate it some more, but this is what I have. I had it for a couple of weeks now, so the paper is kind of messing up. And if you see inside, you see some prizes.
Shopkin.
This is a Shopkin vending machine.
You see Shopkin vending.
So here is how it works.
We got money in there.
It's only 5 cents if you want a common Shopkin. It's 10 cents if you want a rare, and it's 25 cents if you want ultra rare. So you put it in, and then you pull and squeeze. Oh, that's my charger. You pull and then you squeeze.
And then you just got 5 more cents to like.
So we got Birthday Betty. She looks like. And then that's just there because I made an extra hole. But
Birthday Betty look like.
This is what it is. And then your 10 cents.
The 10 cents will gonna be for $16.
You can't use a dime because it will fall through the box. So it's my nickel. Then put another one.
And then if you add one more,
and then it's gonna fall in the inside.
I mean, I get $3.
And we got our basket fell, and this is Shopkin. We got, I forgot this name. This is season 3. We're all the way in season 6. So yeah, there's the basket. A basket would drop down, but
my friend, I've been looking for you everywhere. Yeah,
as you guys saw, it dropped. It dropped. Like when I put it in there, then I pulled it, and that's when it fell. So now I'm gonna show you when you want. So when you have your 25 cents, you just put it in. And then you pull this out and you push it up. And as you can see, it fell down right here. Here's it is again. And to get that one, you have to go through the back and pull out where your coins are. Some fell right there, but here's the 2 Shopkins we got. These are ultra rare Shopkins. So yeah, that's Queen of Tarts, and this is Friend of Fern.
Oh, what is it?
I got a coin. So here is how it works. So this is here from keeping it falling like that. Yeah, I can't explain everything quickly, so. So thank you guys for watching. I made this a couple weeks ago, and it wasn't hard. It took me like 20 minutes to make it, and sorry if Kayla was being a bit loud because she was doing too much. Anyways, I might film a video with Layla and Lily. So yeah, bye.